Hey fam, I'm coming to show you guys how I make my delicious shake in the morning. My jump to health shake. It is really good. You guys need to come take a health jump with me. Alright, go to takeahealthjump.com and get more information, or takeahealthjump.info. Alright, this is just 2 scoops of the nutritional shake mix. And this is some kiwi, raspberry, half a banana, walnuts, and a little bit of watercress in that bowl there. Then I put just a dab of my pomegranate juice and some of the almond milk. All right, and you could just do your own mixture, or hey, you could just do it with water if you're on the road, or apple juice, or anything if you're on the road and you can't do all of this in the morning. So it's very doable. All right, since I work from home, so I get the beauty of putting all these different things together every morning. Okay, so let's see what I'm gonna do is put the bananas, put everything in. Let me see, I need like an extra pair of hands here, but I don't. Let's see. All right, let's see, let's put all of that in. Okay, and I just love this Nutra thing. Wait a minute. I'm gonna have to put the camera down probably for a second, you guys, while I fix this up. So just give me a minute here. Let's see. Hold on, let me squeeze this on. All right, just take a second there. All right, I got that on. Okay, and then all you do is just fit that there, and then all we're gonna do is put on the power button, and go. Hey, and there you go. There's your breakfast. So, hey, so come take the health jump with me. And I'll give you more info. And let's get going. Let's get these inches. Let's get these pounds. Let's get healthy. And let's get back to our normal self. Yes, we've been home putting on all these pounds. It's time to jump to it. Yes, jump to health. Yes, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.